Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noida Creations. Today I'm sharing a chicken potato appetizer recipe. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 chopped onion, saute on medium flame. Add half teaspoon of salt, mix. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Now add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 chopped capsicum. Add 1½ cup of boneless chicken washed, boiled and shredded. Mix well. Now I'm adding half green chili chopped. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of oregano. One and a half tablespoon of flour. Now add half cup of milk. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix. Once all the ingredients are cooked well, switch off the flame. In a bowl, add 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and mashed. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of salt as required. 1 teaspoon of butter. Handful of coriander leaves washed and chopped. 2 egg yolks. Keep the egg whites in a bowl as we will be using it later. Here I am adding less than half cup of grated cheese. Now mix this well. Once the chicken mixture is cooled, transfer it into this bowl. Mix well. You can taste this mixture and add more salt if required. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites. Beat well. In a plate, add panko breadcrumbs. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Take a portion of the mixture in your hand and shape into cylindrical shape. Ensure that there are no cracks. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Follow the same steps to make rest of the appetizers till the mixture is over. Now coat the appetizers with flour. Dip the appetizers in the beaten egg whites and then coat with panko breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the appetizers on medium flame. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry the appetizers in batches. Delicious chicken and potato appetizers are now ready. Thanks for watching.